Hey everyone! It's that time of year again, holiday season. And while it's the season for celebration, it's also easy to let healthy habits slip. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some amazing tips to stay fit and healthy without missing out on the fun. First up, let's talk about appetizers. Instead of those calorie-laden dips, try a colorful veggie platter with hummus. It's crunchy, delicious, and packed with nutrients. Plus, it'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. For the main course, think about portion control. Go ahead and enjoy your favorite holiday dishes, but keep your portions moderate. Fill half your plate with veggies, a quarter with lean protein, and the rest with whole grains. You'll get all the flavors you love without overindulging. Now let's not forget about dessert. You don't have to skip sweets entirely. Opt for fruit-based desserts like baked apples or a fresh fruit salad. They're sweet, satisfying, and loaded with vitamins. If you're baking, try using healthier ingredients like almond flour, coconut sugar, or Greek yogurt. Drinks can be a sneaky source of extra calories. Instead of sugary cocktails, try sparkling water with a splash of cranberry juice and a twist of lime. It's refreshing and festive without the sugar crash. And finally, stay active. Take a brisk walk after meals, join a holiday-themed workout class, or even have a dance-off with family and friends. Moving your body will help you stay energized and keep those extra pounds at bay. Remember, the key to a healthy holiday season is balance and moderation. Enjoy the celebrations, but make mindful choices. You've got this. Thanks for watching and happy holidays. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and inspiration. See you next time.